Today we are making a pineapple ginger beer mocktail. This recipe calls for a cocktail shaker. I think you could get away without it. You could just stir things together and then strain. So I do have a cocktail shaker actually. So first we are going to take 3 blackberries, add those to the bottom of whatever you are going to be shaking or stirring this in. Take a muddler. If you don't have a muddler, you can use anything else to squish your blackberries. Give them a good squish. This is just releasing the juices, but also this is where our flavor is going to come from, part of it. Blackberries aren't super potent in flavor, so we're going to squish them for all they're worth. This recipe has us using ounces as our measurement for liquids, and I'm going to be using a jigger. And so it's just a handy tool that bartenders use to measure liquids. Mine has tablespoons, milliliters, and ounces to help you know the amount of liquid is coming up to each line. And these are going to be handy if you are going to be making cocktails on a regular basis. I will link one down below for you guys. They're inexpensive, so check that out if you're in need of one. First of all, we need lime juice. We need a half of an ounce, so not much. I juiced 1 lime into a glass measuring cup. Oh, it's exactly the juice of 1 lime, so maybe you don't measure if you want, you don't have to. All right, let's go ahead and add 3 ounces of pineapple juice. The recipe says to add a few ice cubes, but I just have big ice cubes. So I'm just gonna add 1. Then we're going to give it a really good stir or a shake. If you are stirring it in a bowl or a glass or whatever you're using, just keep stirring until the condensation comes up the sides of the vessel, up to at least the point of where the liquid is. And if you can bring it up past that, even better. That just means that you're getting the liquid ice cold. Let's give this a go. I'm no bartender. I don't know if there's a cleaner way to get the cocktail shaker separated. Go ahead and get yourself out a glass of choice. You don't have to use any special glass. You can use a Moscow Mule mug. I just have a stemless wine glass. I'm going to put a fresh ice cube in my glass. We want to strain our liquid mixture. You don't have to have a cocktail strainer. I just have this little sieve here. I am gonna take my muddler and just press any extra liquid out of the dregs. And then we're going to top it with some ginger beer. Make sure you get a ginger beer that you actually like. They do not all taste the same. Q is one of my favorite brands, and you can usually find a box of little purple cans in the section by where your store sells mixers. So we're gonna top our drink with 3 ounces of ginger beer. Do not shake your ginger beer in your cocktail shaker. Pressure builds and things may explode a little bit, or so I've heard. The drink looks really small in my big glass. You could just double the recipe. Maybe we'll garnish it with blackberry. Maybe a mint leaf because the green looks pretty. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. If you don't like the spice of ginger beer, the pineapple juice really tones it down. And if you think that the pineapple juice is too forward, just add more ginger beer. And if you think it's too sweet, I would say just add some club soda. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'll leave the ingredients and the instructions down below for you guys. Be sure to subscribe for more mocktail recipes. I don't just do mocktails on this channel if you're new, but I've done a blackberry lime one, which I will link right here. And then I have another one coming next week. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in this mocktail video.